Welcome to Chilean Slang Explained, a podcast that will help you to better understand your Chilean friends. And now, here is your host Marco Fierro.
Hola, ¿cómo estáis? Te doy la bienvenida a un nuevo episodio de Chilean Slang Explained, a podcast for upper beginner Spanish students who are interested in visiting Chile and talking to los hueones de Chile. So, if you're interested in that, consider subscribing. In this episode, I will talk about los completos. ¿Qué es un completo en Chile? Does it mean complete? Well, no. Completo es una comida, a food. And what is it all about? Well, you will learn about that in this episode. And for that, we will look at the ingredients of el completo, los ingredientes, and then we will also analyze the recipe with the se, the use of the se impersonal in Spanish. Are you ready for this? ¿Estáis listos, weón? ¡Vamos! Completo means complete, but in Chile it also refers to a hot dog, what in other countries is called un perro caliente. Los chilenos no hablan de perro caliente, sino de completo. Un completo, entonces, es un hot dog en Chile.
Hot dog, huh?
Hay diferentes tipos de completo. Y en este episodio vas a conocer el completo italiano. Italian hot dog? What is that? Sí, completo italiano. Why is it called Italian hot dog?
Mamma mia!
It's not related to Italian cuisine at all. It's because of the colors of the ingredients that are used in preparing a completo. ¿Qué ingredientes lleva un completo italiano? What are the ingredients? Los ingredientes principales son el pan de completo, la vienesa, la palta, el tomate y la mayonesa. So the bread, the sausage, the avocado, the tomato, and the mayonnaise. If you think about the colors of all of those ingredients, they look like the Italian flag. That's why it's called completo italiano.
Got it.
By the way, vienesa is the word for sausage in Chile. Vienesa. In other countries, you will probably hear salchicha. And palta is avocado. In Chile, we don't talk about aguacate. Decimos palta. ¿Y cómo se prepara un completo italiano? A continuación te explico los pasos. Como dije, para preparar completos necesitas pan de completo, tomate, palta, vienesa y mayonesa. Primero se lavan los tomates, luego se pelan y se pican en cuadritos. A continuación se pone un poco de sal. Con la palta se saca la cáscara de la palta y el cuesco. Luego se muele la palta y se añade sal y aceite. Las vienesas, sausages, se cocinan por 5 minutos en agua hervida. Cuando están todos los ingredientes listos, se abre el pan de completo, se pone la vienesa adentro y luego añades el tomate, la palta y la mayonesa. And then your completo is complete. Tu completo está completo. So the next time a person says to you, vamos a comer unos completos, they're not talking about eating something completely. They're talking about having some hot dogs together. Vamos a comer unos completitos, ¿ven? And that's all for today. Gracias por escuchar Chilean Slang Explained. If you enjoyed this podcast, please give it a 5-star review and recommend it to your friends. And if you want to know when new episodes are out, you can follow us on Instagram at Chilean Slang Explained. Nos vemos en la próxima ocasión. Que estés bien. Chao, chao.